2. Luigi, why do they?
I'll be like you.
Coming in, Luigi.
What are you doing? I'm gonna close the door, Mario.
So, let me go through that way. Luigi, wait.
Should we look in the trunk first? Oh, yeah, you can now check.
Wait, no. Actually, come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah,
Let's go.
I'll close the little door.
Come on, Luigi. Okay.
Hey, this is Toad's van.
That's my truck.
So,
That's Toad's car.
Manuel, I'm going to take this, but
Toad died from the zombies. Yeah, I already know.
yeah, you won't even yell.
Well, look at
Well,
this baby.
after the video, I ate it,
Vista, what the
and then
heck?
I passed out, and then I woke up in the bedroom, and then next thing I knew, I stepped on the floor, and then I
Look at this
and
thing.
then I put in my foot up, and then I looked down and I saw Toad. He was dead. I stepped on him. Well, no, he died from the zombies. And then the zombie killed him probably and
pool?
took him off.
Man,
I don't know if that's true.
I know.
Hey, look, it's Unified Frisbee. The evil demon that you know will kill.
Hey, look at the sun. It's so bright, but you can barely see it. Hey, he killed that tree with his poison. Can you zoom in?
Oh, yeah. I'm zooming.
You okay, Manuel? Yeah. Zoom out.
You Manuel, you want me to go get the frisbee?
Wait a minute. I think we can climb over this fence.
Yeah, just climb over there. This time.
Because the other video ended by itself.
Now,
Hold now, you.
password, please.
Ah! Okay. Super Mario Bros. Wow. Yeah, thanks.
Yup.
Ah! It's a zombie! Ah!
Not a zombie.
Oh.
I'm wearing the same shirt.
Are you a midget?
No. Bye.
Oh, you just the kid that talked to you. Luigi, who the heck was that? Thought I saw something in here, but hey, zoom in.
What?
Zoom in this.
Wait, you don't kill me.
Yo, I love looking at how.
Can we look
Ooh.
at this? Oh, look here. Yo.
Dude, remember when there was a
Look
bunch?
how nice this door is.
Hey, Luigi. Yeah. There was a bunch of little like leaves and moss still, like moss.
Yo.
And look it, there used to be a
See,
bunch
I
of
did
needles. There used to be a bunch of needles, Luigi.
Yeah. Sorry, the wind is on my nose. Okay, I mean that way.
Man. Look at this place. This is abandoned.
Hey,
Well,
look,
not really,
it's
but
the bunk bed bedroom.
this place is actually not
And then
abandoned.
you get the window to that yacht to closet.
This place is not really abandoned, but it's going to be. Because the people in there are still alive and they still take care of the stuff she could eat. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Wait, I think I got something.
You got something, Manuel? Why would you put it in my car?
I don't know. Okay, I got it. It's the compass. Okay, so
You're gonna yak the car.
okay,
Yeah.
come in. Let's check the mailbox.
Anything?
There was nothing.
Okay, great.
Well,